We are developing a solution that will facilitate building owners to decrease the energy footprint of their buildings, and it will facilitate building managers to early detect failures in the energy equipment of their buildings. But in the long run, we are trying to build something generic that will enable data space in general. We want to provide a framework that from one hand will allow end users to share their data in a secure and in a deterrable way, and on the other hand, to enable third-party application providers to take advantage of this data and develop add-on services for their users. So hopefully there will be benefits for both sides of the spectrum.
Basically what we do both in the PhD but also in the company Plegma Labs that provides the pilot buildings for this project is that we have several smart meters and sensors in our buildings, and most of them use different protocols and different ways to transmit and to present and to save the data they provide, and they use different schemas and different, let's say, formats. So through the data spaces and through the common data models, it's very important for us to have interoperability and a common, let's say, reference schema, so that we can in the next, let's say, phase of our activities, be capable to not only save data from different sources, but to also utilize them for our analytics and, let's say, combine them with data from different sources. For example, we have some buildings that measure the energy consumption, some meters that measure the energy consumption in specific buildings, and they measure, for example, kilowatt hours, but some other building might measure kilowatts, and this needs to be, let's say, identified in a formal and semantically, let's say, proper manner in the schema. Otherwise, when we want to provide the data to some third party to do some AI analytics, as we do in the project, if everything is standardized, then they can really leverage the data from different sources and have the real interoperability, let's say, between the different providers.